@Whitley_mathscape, and you get to learn more. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about reflection and congruency. I've already there, and this one is a topic of rotation is coming. And after this, we'll also be doing what's called KCSE prediction questions, and you'll get to learn a lot. Now, in this topic of rotation, there are a lot of things we need to understand first before you do any question concerning it. Maybe you can check on what you're supposed to learn in this topic before you start doing any question concerning rotation. This is what it should be in your mind. And by having them in your mind, it will make you to work on any question confidently. Number one, all object points turns to the same angle and same direction, same distance. So all object points under any rotation turn to the same angle and same direction. Number two, each object point and its corresponding image point are in the same distance from the center of rotation. Number three, what you also need to learn is that center of rotation is always invariant. Is invariant. Invariant means here it cannot change its position. That is, it cannot change its position. Another thing we need to learn again here is that for a rotation to be completely defined, center and the angle of rotation must be stated. Must be stated. Also, another thing you need to learn under this rotation is that rotation anti-clockwise. Rotation in anti-clockwise direction. In anti-clockwise direction is positive, otherwise is negative. Otherwise is negative. Also, you need to know this that Q image. Q is the object and Q image. And when you have rotated Q to Q image, traces an arc. Center 0. Center 0. The line joining Q to Q image Q to Q image is a chord whose perpendicular bisector must pass through the center. Whose perpendicular bisector must pass through the center. Must pass through the center of rotation. Through rotation. So these are the 6 concepts you must have in your mind before handling any question concerning rotation. All this is what you need to know for you to work on any question on rotation confidently. Maybe I can pick a question under rotation, we work on it. This will assist us when we decide on it. Let me just pick a question. A point A, B, A and B, or we can say points A and B. Points A and B given as A is point 612 and B is point 108. What's rotated in clockwise direction to their corresponding image points, to their corresponding image points given as A image. A image is going to be 8, 6 and B image is going to be 4, 2. The question is, find the center and the angle of rotation. Find the center and the angle of rotation. That is our question given. So we have an object AB that is 612 and 10A rotated to a certain angle in clockwise direction to give us their corresponding image points as A image is 86 and B image is 42. We can have a sketch like this. I have point AB, which is A is going to be 612, B is 10, was rotated to a certain angle, which I'm going to look for it, into image point. Having here is a P image, there is A image. The coordinates of the A image is going to be 8, 6, and the coordinates of B image was going to be 4, 2. 4, 2. And the question is, find the center and the angle of rotation. Now, using this concept I gave you here, point Q image traces an accent at 0, you'll get to know why. The lines joining now Q object, which is to Q image, is a chord whose perpendicular bisector must pass through the center. So in this case, the Q image is our, in this case, A image, which is this one. Another line joining B image is this one. So they are saying the perpendicular bisectors of this line joining A image will pass through the center. Meaning, if I find the perpendicular bisector of this A image, will go this way. Perpendicular bisector means it will divide into 2 equal parts. Meaning what? This point will actually be the midpoint of this line A image. Is it? How can we find midpoint number 1? And then there must also be a perpendicular bisector bisecting P image moving this way. And since this is a bisector, it is also telling us that point must be a midpoint of line P image, which is midpoint number 2. Let me start. Let's find midpoint number 1. Here, midpoint number 1 is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. That is 6 plus 8 over 2 will give us the x coordinate. Then y1. So look, plus 6 over 2 will give us the y coordinate, which is in this case 7, 9. Yes? So this point is actually, let us also find coordinates of M2. M2 will be x1. No. X1 is 4. Both we are looking for M2. 4 plus over 2. And then next is 2 plus 8. So in this case, I'm seeing this is 7. So the coordinates of this point again is what? 75. So we were told that these perpendicular bisectors of lines joining Q image, and in our case is P image and A image, must pass through the center. Yes? If both lines must pass through the center, it means they will intersect at the center. And point of intersection when you check, I'm seeing this here. Yes? Are you seeing it? So we want to find the coordinates of the center of rotation. Now, first, we want first to know when lines are, if these are perpendicular bisector as they say, perpendicular bisector, then it means this line will be perpendicular to this one. And when during form 2 we learn that when lines are perpendicular, M1, M2 must be negative. So the first thing we need to know here, let us find the gradient of A image. So gradient G of A image will be change in Y or change in X. In this case, 12 minus 6 over change in X. 6 minus what? Which is 6 over, which is negative 3. So the gradient of line A image is negative 3. So for me to know the gradient of this line perpendicular bisector using M1, M2 equals negative 1, then it will mean the gradient of this line will be 1 over 3. Is it? It will be 1 over 3. Because M1, M2 must be negative 1 since the two lines are perpendicular. So I have known that this perpendicular bisector of A image has a gradient of 1 over 3. So writing the equation of this line in gradient that is formed as y is equal to mx plus, then it means it must be y equal to gradient yake 1 over plus c. Are we saying that? It will be in this form. But since I know this perpendicular bisector is passing through point 7, 9, then I'll replace here. 9, y is 9, so 9 equals to 1 over 3 times 7 over 3 plus 6. I'm seeing c will be 9 minus 7 over, which is in this case, will it be 20 over 3? That's subtract. I can confirm, yes? So the equation there will become y is equals to 1 over 3x plus 20. We have got to know now the equation of this line. This one will be the bisector is y is equals to 1 over 3x plus 20 over 3. Another thing, next step, we want to find, we have gotten to know the equation of this perpendicular bisector. Second thing, we must know the equation of this one. So for us to know the equation of this second one, perpendicular bisector of P image, the first thing is we should know the gradient of P image. Okay, let me start here. Gradient G of P image will be change in y over change in x. In this case, change in y 8 minus 2 over 10. No, we want to find the gradient of P image. That is change in y over change in f, which is 8 minus 2 over 10 minus 4, which is 6, which is 1. So the gradient of this line is 1. And since this one is perpendicular, M1, M2 must be negative 1. So I say M1 is negative 1. M2 is what we are looking for. But when I say M1, M2 must be negative 1. M1 is 1 times M2 will give us negative 1. So M2 means negative 1 over 1. This is negative. Yes? So the gradient Let me add. The gradient of this line is actually negative. So if I write the equation of this line in the form of y is equals to mx plus c, then it will be y is equals to negative x plus c. Negative 1x. The gradient is negative 1, is it? And since I know the equation of this line must pass through 7 pi, is it?
Yes.
Must pass through 7 pi. I'll replace it. Where 5 is equal to negative 7 plus c. And C is equal to 5 plus 7. When you bring 7 across it, it is in this case. So the general equation for this line now will become y is equal to negative x plus 7. So I'll indicate that this is y is equal to negative x plus 7. So for us to know the coordinates of the center of rotation, this is where the two lines intersect, because these perpendicular bisectors must pass through the center, meaning the two will intersect at the center, which is here. So for us to know the coordinates here, I will equate it. We can solve the Mendelian equation using elimination, substitution, and also you can use Camero method where at the point of intersection that will be the solution. The solution meaning the equation number 1, equation of this line, which is y is equals 1 over 3x plus 20 over 3. Should be the same as the equation of this line here, y is equals negative. So in this case we will equate this one, 1 over 3x plus 20 over 3 is the same as negative x plus 20. Now, bringing negative x across the equal sign, we bring 1 and 1 over 3 x will be the same as 12 minus 20, which will be, this one is 4 over 3, x will be the same as 16 over. So removing the denominator times 3, and see 4x is equal to 16. X alone will be, so the x coordinate of the center of rotation is 4. For us to get the y coordinate, I will replace this x in any of the equations. In the two, either of the two. Either replace in this one or my position. So it will be y, I can replace right here, or I replace here. Y is equal to negative 4 plus 12. I think y is 8. So coordinates of the center is 4, 8. That is the center of rotation. Is actually 4, 4, 8. Now, generally, finding the angle of rotation is, this is where we need to know the concept I'm giving you, so that you can be able to know how you can find the center of rotation. We can use our concept I'm training. Now, remember the point center of rotation is 4, 8. Point A, which was here, A was 6, was it 6, 12? A was 6, 12. 6, 12. And it was rotated to be A image. A image is 8. I'll take you back here to a concept I gave you, saying notice that Q image, but in our case it is A image. A image traces an arc. Center what? 0. This is it. This is an arc center 0. Now, center 0. So we will assume up that line is the x-axis. I call this angle theta. I call this an angle alpha. Remember, a line making an angle made by a line with the x-axis is the tangent of its gradient. So we want to find the gradient of this one. Changing our gradient is the gradient. Gradient of this one will be 12 minus 8 over 6 minus 4, which is 4 over 2, which is gradient of this line is 2. So for me to know this angle, this theta is actually theta is equal to tan inverse of gradient 2, which is in this case 63.43, is it? So this angle is 63.43. Again, you want to know this angle alpha, so you will look for the gradient of this line. Gradient of this line will be changing our gradient is y is 6 minus 8 over 8 minus 4, which is negative 2 over 4, which is negative half. Now, for me to know this angle alpha will be the tan inverse of the gradient of this line. To know the angle made the exact is it. So tan inverse of negative 0.5, which is 26.57. 27, is it? 26.57. Negative 26. The negative means that the angle is below the x-axis. So we just know that. So this angle is 26. So for you to know the whole angle of rotation is addition of the two angles. This one plus this other is 53.43 plus 26.57, which is it was a quarter turn in a clockwise direction. That is what we have. You have seen how we can come up with center of rotation and angle of rotation. There are so many areas we can work on this topic, which I'll still give you more areas. You are supposed to check on this. Let me wrap.